Oh, what's wrong, little one? What's going on?
Control, this is Ranger Rajesh at Chitwan. We have a severe parasitic infection on a rhino, requesting immediate veterinary support. The creature is massive.
Emergency alert! Giant leech attack on rhino near the river.
Everyone move. Grab the long forceps and large darts. Let's go.
Emergency mobilization. Giant leech attack, Sector 4.
Grabbing the extraction kit and extra sedative. Let's move.
Make sure the anticoagulant treatments are secured first, Anil. Vikram, I need the immobilization gear next to it.
Yes, doctor. They are secure now. Mobilization gear coming up.
She seems calm enough.
Preparing the sedative now.
Let's move quickly.
I can't believe this. Look at the size.
Get the tranquilizers ready. We need to sedate it before it hurts Devi.
Just a little more pressure, gently ease the forceps under the rim.
Suction breaking.
Almost clear.
The leech's muscular segments contract rhythmically, a defense mechanism against extraction. Its suction discs hold firm.
We're almost clear. Anil, confirm status.
Blood pressure stabilizing. Heart rate is perfect.
Excellent work, team.
It's clear. Well done, doctor.
Gently now, make sure the solution covers the entire area.
Hand me the next swab, please.
We need to ensure natural movement is allowed.
Yes, this cohesive wrap should protect the healing tissue perfectly.
Her breathing is finally stabilizing.
Yes, the treatment was successful. She's much stronger now.
The segmentation is highly unusual for this species. We must emphasize the size in the report.
The growth rate data confirms the anomaly. It's truly massive.
The segmentation is completely unique.
Ensure the scale reference is clear. It's nearly 1 meter long.
The morphology is unlike anything documented in Chitwan.
Monitor the edges of the bandage closely. Any swelling or refusal to bear weight, contact me immediately. Mark all observations on this sheet.
Understood, doctor.
We need to monitor this section closely. The creatures seem to be migrating to the deeper water.
All right, I'll schedule patrols twice a day.
Look at the size of the posterior sucker. It's enormous.
Documented. The segmentation is highly unusual.
We need tissue samples immediately.
Park headquarters, this is Rajesh. Devi the rhinoceros is showing excellent recovery after the intervention. The guard confirms mother and baby are healthy and safe. Mission accomplished.